said, "Simon, let's go fishing." Lion said, "Hooray!" Simple Simon caught a fish, sparkling in the light. Said the lion, "What a wish!" Their laughter filled the night. Simple Simon found a kite, flying high and free. Lion joined the fun in flight, under the apple tree. Simple Simon baked a pie, filled with berry trees. Lion gave a happy sigh, and they enjoyed the sweets. Simple Simon danced around in a circus show. Lion jumped with every sound, they stole the whole big show. Simple Simon took a ride on a carousel. Lion stayed right by his side, ringing every bell. Simple Simon saw a star shining in the sky. Lion roared from near and far with a joyful sigh. Simple Simon's day was done, full of joy and cheer. Lion said, "That was such fun, let's do it all next year."